Runwal Enterprise is primarily into residential developments, commercial developments, retail. So a lot of mixed-use developments are currently ongoing. My name is Darshan Joshi. I'm currently working with Runwal Enterprises as head of their department for costing and budgeting. Costing and budgeting function in any of the real estate developers' office is a very crucial department.
Before adopting CostX, we were doing quantity takeoffs manually. The process was time consuming and involved multiple steps such as scaling drawings, manual measurement and repetitive data entry. Revision handling was a major challenge. Any drawing change meant reworking quantities, which increased risk of errors and delayed deliverables.
That was the hurdle point there. Okay, and since I have used CostX software in past, I immediately recommended let's go ahead purchasing the CostX software here, and it all was a magical outcome.
Well, there are many valuable functionalities, but I find revision tracking which adds value to our team. Revision tracking allows us to efficiently compare multiple design versions, clearly identify additions, deletions and modification, instantly quantify their cost impact and ensuring better coordination.
Well, I am using CostX from last 2 to 3 years. My favorite feature is zone. So basically what is zone? Zone is using to create a multiple dimension group, which is lead to get total quantity of project in one dimension, but we can also identify the single quantity of one, for example, one room or one building in same dimension group. So basically zone creates a huge quantity in small part as well as large part. Tasks that earlier took days can now be completed in hours. This allows us to focus more on cost analysis, value engineering and decision support rather than manual calculations.
After calculating the quantities from the existing drawing, once I received the updated drawings, because of its live linking property, it gets automatically reflected in a dimension groups. I don't need to update them manually, which saves a lots of time.
If the designer has designed the product in the beginning properly, the CostX has ability to measure that. And once the entire quantification is being done properly in the pre-construction stage itself, the plan is to hand over that CostX file to the billing department so that they do not have to recalculate the quantities again. Just supersede with the GFC drawings and you have the quantities available with you. This will definitely minimize the rework at the site and it will increase the overall productivity, and you can definitely aim for the project to be completed on time.
Recently, they also conducted a comprehensive full-day training session at our office, which further enhanced our team's understanding and practical usage of the platform. Now, I can confidently say that we are now leveraging the majority of the CostX functionalities efficiently and effectively in our team.
So the entire team is now 100% trained. Of course, there are a few new joiners after that training session. So internally, all our trained resources are now training the new joiners. And whenever any help is needed, RIB and Janani have always helped us.
From sustainability perspective, CostX enables better material planning, reduced wastage, accurate quantity forecasting, and life cycle cost analysis, which directly supports sustainable construction practices. CostX helped us to save time, cost and achieve efficiency.
Over the last 1 year, we have used CostX software for our 7 Mahalakshmi project, one of the most important project for this company. We also have used CostX software on our Chembur residential development, as well as the recent new launch that we are going to do, that is Bliss at Kanjurmarg. So on all these 3 projects, we have used CostX.
Real estate industry is very, very capital intensive. In the last 12 months, over a year right now, we have implemented RIB CostX software. And as we all know, every penny is very, very important what you spend over here. It has been extremely, extremely fruitful for us as an organization, what they've brought on the table, which has helped us save a lot of cost, monitor our profitability and implementing going it forward. I think it's a great value proposition which I would highly recommend for the real estate industry.
I would rate them excellent, or maybe if there is any higher rating than that, I would like to rate them in that fashion.